on genetics. In this episode, we will explore the fascinating world of monohybrid crosses and learn how traits are inherited. Let's dive in. Hey genetic enthusiasts! Today we will be conducting a monohybrid cross experiment to understand how traits are passed down from parents to offsprings. Are you ready? Let's get started. Meet our parent's plant. The plant A has a smooth leaf, while the other parent plant has wrinkles. We want to determine how the leaf texture trait is inherited. We are going to perform a monohybrid cross by breeding these two plants according to Gregor John Mendel's principles. Each plant contributes one allele for the trait. Smooth leaves are represented by dominant allele capital S, and wrinkled leaves are represented by the recessive allele small s in small s. To predict the outcome possibles, we will use a Punnett square. The Punnett square is on your screen. The Punnett square allows us to visualize the potential combination of alleles from the parents. We cross the plants by placing the pollens from the plant with smooth leaves into the stigma of the plant with wrinkled leaves. This process mimics the natural fertilization that occurs in plants. Now let's analyze the result. Ta-da! These are the offspring plants resulting from the monohybrid cross in first filial generation. What is the texture of these plants? All plants are with the smooth leaves. तो अगर हम रिजल्ट की बात करते हैं तो सारे plants smooth leaves carry करते हैं. Out of the 4 offspring plant, we have all 4 with the smooth leaves. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि smooth leaf is the character which is dominant somewhere. Now when we cross-pollinate these plants, what will be the result? Again, we have the Punnett square. And by analyzing that Punnett square, we can see that the genotype of a smooth plant is capital S and capital S small s, while the wrinkled one has small s. In this cross-pollination, what will be the outcomes? Again, ta-da! We have 3 plants out of 4 with smooth leaves and 1 plant out of 4 with wrinkled leaf. तो इसके outcome क्या हुए? 3 plants with smooth leaf and 1 plant with wrinkled leaf. Remember, genotype represents the combination of allele an organism possesses, while phenotype refers to the observable traits resulting from those alleles. So we have seen that the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 because we have one genotype with capital S, 2 genotype with capital S, small s, and 1 genotype with small s. So the genotypic ratio will be 1:2:1. और phenotype की बात करते हैं जो physical appearance है. 3 plants smooth leaves है और 1 plant wrinkled leaf है. So the phenotypic ratio will be 3:1. I hope you enjoyed this video but informative episode on monohybrid crosses. If you want to learn more about genetics or have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science.